just unveil two special livery for the 70th birthday of Porsche. Livery has big history at Porsche, and at least everybody remembers this from 1971 with the 970.
Both designs are famous by the fans, famous by the Porsche employee and from all the drivers. It's some kind of retro style.
It just talks a lot about our roots, especially in racing and in Le Mans.
I will stay all day with the suit. I will not take it off. It looks like being back in the past.
Garage looks pretty much like in the 70s. It fits well with the cars, the wood toolboxes and the bricks.
I'm very proud to be part of this history.